hand. You can grab it with both hands and grow it to change the scale of the object. This application has a very high-performance CAD engine built into it. So I can take these objects and do different kinds of Boolean operations to cut the objects and do different types of modeling operations. And the interesting thing here is that this is very floating point intensive, these cutting operations. So on the Bridge platform, it really utilizes both full CPU and GPU performance. If I just grab onto the world, I can navigate the view through the scene with either hand. And if you just grab onto the world and rotate, you can change the view, or translate, or even grab with both hands and zoom in to change your scale. So it's a very fluid, one-to-one 3D user interface.
I bet you could use it for very nice gaming capabilities.
Absolutely. So this particular application is just a 3D modeling environment for building different shapes. But of course, this software is part of our 6-inch TrueMotion SDK that you can embed into any kind of an application. So you can imagine something like a Google Earth style map viewer where you can zoom out and zoom in on terrain view, or you can have maybe a SimCity type application where these different buildings that you're planning and drawing out roads or editing a track. One last feature I want to show you here is that I can bring up this GUI panel, which is kind of like a virtual PDA, and I can use that to load different objects into the world.
Okay, great. But I made this public that I'm not a big gamer, so I'm looking for some other reasons to use this capability.
So our initial market is going to be gaming, of course, and we're going to be coming to market early next year with a razor-branded controller system. And we're working with Valve Software to have support in all their games, including Portal 2. But of course, there are lots of opportunities for other applications as well. One we're really excited about is the 3D television technology really matches perfectly with the 3D control system. So to be able to control your TV menus or surf the web